What's up guys, today we got Jake again and we're going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a Mossberg 500. Okay, first thing you do is check and make sure the gun is empty, which it is. We're going to take the barrel off, just unscrew this. Okay. Next, we're going to remove this little pin right here. Take out the trigger group. Remove these. There's one on each side. This pops out. Slide. And pump just comes out after that. Slides out the front. You squeeze on that, it comes right out. It's fully broken down. Now I'll put it back together. This goes in first. Squeeze it in there. Okay, next the bolt. If you have the gun upside down, it's going in like this. The rounded side is towards the top of the gun. Okay. And then next the pump. There's little holes on the side. You just need to pull these down so that they fit into the holes. Once it gets to the inside, you see it right there. You just need to push down on each side so it goes into its sliding spot. Okay, and then we're going to line up the bolt and the pump's little rail. Is a thing that we're going to...
The flashlight is too bright.
Too bright? Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you want to get this little hook around the center because they go into this part right here. And then this hooks in right here. So you just kind of want to get it to where it can fall pretty much directly in. Looks like I need to go back a little bit further with that. Yeah, and make sure you can move it while applying pressure down, because if not it'll pop out until you get more stuff back in. Okay. And then it's impossible to get these two confused because there is this one has a little pin part that comes through right here and there's nothing on the other side, so just go ahead and put this one in first because it stays better. This one you want the hook part to go towards the inside of the gun, and it goes on the other side. Like that. Okay, and then you have to hold them in place. Put your trigger back in.
Show them what direction the trigger goes in.
You can tell because it's got this little spot, it goes in like this. And you gotta get both of these into their spot and hold them. This is really a pain. And there we go, sits right in. And you put your pin back in. And just kind of wiggle the trigger until it goes through. Okay. Make sure your slide is halfway back. And go ahead and reattach the barrel. We're going to make sure the trigger works. Oh, safety's on. Make sure the safety works. Make sure the slide release works. That's it.